we are celebrating the fall of the fence somewhere in the future. This was put here to stop terrorism, so they told, but the terrorist attacks didn't stop. They was talking that the refugees are dangerous to us. This is absolutely lie. Join refugees together, playing football, having concert, being in cinema, in free time, swimming in river if somebody wants, and to show we both need friends, we can be friends. Great.
Mon schedule is set. Jill, go cool it up.